Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Vanessa. Today on this video, I'm going to share with you guys another hair tutorial, and this time I'm going to color my hair with something violet, red, something like that. So I chose this particular color, and this brand is from L'Oreal Feria. This is the Power Violet, and this is the V48. That's the number right here. It has a color booster, high intensity shimmering color. It has 3 times highlights, gentle deep conditioning, and it's a one-time application, and it's a permanent hair color gel. So again, this color is intense medium violet, B48. So I'm going to use this box for my hair, just one box. Let's see if this is, and I think this box is enough for the length of my hair. I have high hopes again on this one. Let's see if it's gonna look like this on my hair. So let's go ahead and get started. So this is the box, guys. I just open it up and pull out all the contents from this one. So obviously I have the instruction guide here, and also with the gloves. It comes with the gloves. And then I have like 6 contents of these ones. These guys. I'm impressed. I usually get like 3 or 4 contents per color box, like these ones. But I'm gonna show you first this bottle. Shimmering Conditioning Color Gel. Number 2 bottle is the Shimmering Conditioning Developer Cream. We're gonna mix both of these together later on. Number 3 is the Aromatic Shimmer. Number 4 is the Power Shimmer Conditioner. And next is the shampoo, conditioning shampoo. And the last one is this little tiny tube, color booster. So before I color my hair, I always wear this shirt. I call this my hair coloring shirt. I'm sure you're gonna see this on some of my hair tutorial videos. Before we color, let's have this bowl ready. And I also have the brush tools right here. I have 2. I always need some hair clamp like this one, and also a disposable hair cap like these. So before we start, we need to mix these 2 bottles, the number 1 and 2, and add in the number 3 or the Aromatic Shimmer, and shake the bottle. Then the last one is we need to add the color booster. The more you put in, the more vibrant the color will be. And in my case, I'm putting everything in because I want mine in high saturated color. So I'm back, everyone. As you can see, my hair is completely dark right now, but it should be violet, or at least red violet, after I dry my hair later on. So let's see the results, and I'll be back. You can see a million pieces of the chaos.
push and pull.